Okay, back at it again. In this video, we're going to create a business plan for a food truck to receive funding. No, I'm not a lawyer, so always check with your lawyer. So let's get to it. Business plan for a food truck. My bad. Name. Grub Burgers to receive funding. So just press enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. So as you can see, it already started creating a business plan for the food truck. And it's totally free, as you can see. I I didn't need to go to Fiverr, Upworks, all these outlets. I came here and it started generating a business plan in a matter of seconds. But always review it, always read over it, change it into your own, bring it to your lawyer, my bad, and let him look over it or let her look over it and make some adjustments to your business plan. But this is very powerful. Wow. I like ChatGPT. It's the future. It's better than Google. If I would have went on Google and said create a business plan, it would have took me to a million websites. I just typed this in, write a business plan for a food truck named Grub Burgers to receive funding. As you can see, it created a full business plan for me. As you can see, okay, Grub Burger. I like the name. So wait, let's say we could create another business plan. There's an ice cream truck name. Um, let's just put Ice Baby to receive on it. Oh, just press this arrow and it will take you to the bottom. So that, as you can see, ChatGPT created a second business plan in a matter of seconds for a different company called Ice Baby. It's an ice cream company, a mobile ice cream company. As you can see, it says an ice cream mobile company, ice cream food truck, so or mobile ice cream. But yeah, this is very powerful. Now, say you want to make money with using this type of technology, just find clients and offer them a plan. So I could create your business plan to receive funding, or just create a regular business plan. So Ice Baby is seeking 50,000 in funding to support the purchase of a food truck, equipment and supplies, as well as marketing and operation expenses. Okay, that's cool. So we created a second business plan for funding to receive funding, and that's for a food truck. So as you can see, ChatGPT is very powerful for any company to um receive funding. Not just to receive funding. I mean the right business plan to receive funding. Let's go with something else. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we could receive a grant. Back to the bottom. Okay, so it's basically doing the same thing as the business plan. Okay, let us do his magic. Okay. I guess in our business plan, we will have only 2 to 3 employees. Well, that should be enough to run a food truck. Yeah. A food truck. So as you can see, it just wrote the same thing as a business plan. So in your next business venture, if you need a business plan or you know someone that need help writing a business plan, just use ChatGPT and just write a business plan for a food truck or for ice cream shop, a nail shop, whatever it is, a lawyer, real estate. So okay, I'm out.